One way to make your videos look really dynamic is to use a lot of close-up shots, and it's something you can do in like 5 minutes. So grab your camera, run around the place and get a lot of close-ups.
What's for lunch?
Morgan's. When you're storyboarding, think about the close-ups already in advance, because you can make brilliant little stories by linking them back to back. Close-ups add so much life and value to make the video look really good. So catch yourself looking at something, grabbing something, picking it up, reverse the angle and do it again, but all in little micro close-up shots. Can't go wrong with a little bit of Tabasco in your life. You can literally never have too many close-ups, so get them all over the shot.
They make great coffee.
We've helped hundreds of people who have never made a video before capture their memories and turn them into shareable content they were actually proud to share with their friends and family. This video is part of our online video course called Effortless Editing. We teach you to film so that editing videos becomes easier. Effortless Editing is now available on YouTube for free. Subscribe to our channel to keep getting more video clips like this every week. You can also get immediate full access and extra resources, as well as support this channel by purchasing this course on our website. That's travelvids.tv.